support me for this channel. I really appreciate. If today na the first time you come across this channel, you see my face for the very first time. Now me that they call Akashawa Pro, and I they bring the news they come as it they hot. Today I come again when I procure say I want to read for each and every one of us say what got they happen for this Nollywood industry. My people, me personally, I don't understand that moon. You see, say one of our Nollywood actor, Ohaneze, dey sick, and something come into my mind say why e be say the actors that they always dey victim of circumstances, that is that they always dey fall sick, that they always dey into problem. But you see our actress, that they live pleasure life, like that they live sweet life, nothing just dey shake for their side. Now because say the actors dem no dey plan, or that they use their money the way they not supposed to use their money, I been waiting. I beg, if you know anything, just look out for me for the comment section. It can happen say as this man, they see this very particular man when you see picture for years, so una know say the man a legend. Like everybody for Bodo Naija know about this man. Everybody they talking do about this man. Everybody in one way or the other don't come across or in contact with this man. Small pikin say for their boy yesterday, not this man. Say this man, they give am hot and hot for the Nollywood industry. It come happen say the man just dey sick. As me and you they talk so. So one day come happen say the man, this our daddy so. He come say need prayer because he won't go for another operation, and he don't know how the operation go look like. He don't know whether he go survive. And so he just call on Nigerians, make Nigerians help and they pray, they kabash. Say because as he did say they fear to undergo another operation. All the same, he don't first still go for operation before. So now I say they fear to go for another one. My wonderful family, not because go meet Prophet Jeremiah. Now God go bless that man. Prophet Jeremiah give this man 8 million naira. 8 million naira. Make it go treat itself. Tell me, the problem where we get for this Nigeria, frustrated pastors and frustrated members. You go they sick, pastor go say they pray, they put anointing oil, they pray before you see the person don't turn to RIP. Person go come meet pastor for church, say daddy, as they call mommy, are they hungry, food not there. He go say don't worry, manners will fall from heaven. He said don't worry, manners will fall from heaven. As me and you they talk, now the person go take by. They not go even hear about the person not talking about the foundation. But this man of God called Shortalize Nigeria give am 8 million naira. Make it do wetin, make it join for a normal treatment. So now make me talk, say make I carry this matter, come make I come discuss with my people. Say, una see wetin this pastor do. This pastor now, he don't break record. This now so this man they cry. But he make one promise to the pastor. He come tell am say, Oga, you see that your dance where you did dance. You know say again one kind dance where be say Jeremiah the dance. In case say you never know, you never dey follow am. Yes. Now he promise and say, me go come back, me and you go call dance that dance. In fact, when he talk that talk, tears come out from my eye. So my wonderful family, waiting be the one when I bring come it on be say, no condition for this life is permanent. No condition, lie to lie at all is permanent for this life where we say we did so. Who smile today, tomorrow if he still hungry. Who hungry today, tomorrow he go still smile. So when they see this life so, not be the way you plan am, not be so it be. And for this life, we just say, go say make your heart clean, honestly, because if your heart not clean, at times you go there some kind of problem, you not go see anybody where be say he go come to your rescue. But man, let you know what he be say. Not be people where you help, not be that they come back, they help you. God go make another way of escape where be say he go to help you. Now I mean say no, make I bring up, make I talk to my people about this matter. Say this our Nollywood actor, he dey in a very critical condition of which he need help. He need the help so from me and from you. So may we, as a wonderful Nigerian, we join and we dey pray for her, because I don't know why be say this Nollywood industry they sick, a lot of things they happen to them, and make we just dey pray for am as they go for this operation. So may God make it come back successfully. And we still appreciate Jeremiah for wetin he do. That one a record. The man break record, not be say na culture. He try, it too much. All right, now mother family, na wetin me carry come to na be this abeg. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, remember na me that they call the Anchor Shower Pro. May you click on that red subscribe button where say subscribe. May you turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.